In this video we'll be showing you how to factory reset a Star Docket Printer. First step's to turn it off and pull the power cable out of the back of it. Flip the printer upside down and using a small Phillips head screwdriver remove the screw in the base. Inside you will see 4 what we call dip switches. They'll all be numbered individually. Need you to move dip switch 4 to the off position, which is the opposite of what it is when you open it up and first look at it. And it is expected that you'd be on the phone to an Ausbeam service technician while you're doing this. Hopefully this video makes it easier. Thank you.